So I'm just gonna take this. All right, obviously I got it in there. Then that's what we do. See how my husband's massaging that? A lot of people say, well, I can't massage my rabbit's ears once I put in the mineral oil or the baby oil, the peroxide. Okay, you see how red that is? You can see the sores starting up because the rabbit won't be still for you to rub. Well, if you wrap them in a towel gently, they feel secure, guys. It's kind of like when you swaddle a baby. You bring it home from the hospital, it doesn't feel like it's falling, right? Well, the rabbit's the same way. And they will shake afterwards. But, I mean, we had fur going everywhere.
This is the one that's going to give me.
Yeah, now this is the buck who bred the female when they picked them up. You can tell these rabbits haven't been, like we said, they've not had a lot of interaction. It's all right. It's all right. Good job. Ooh-wee. I can hear his toenails coming in contact with my husband's shirt. I got trying to help you get that leg tucked under. There we go. They're okay, Hammer. Yeah, because I'm treating your ears today too, because my husband made a very good point. The German Shepherd spends every waking minute, him and the Dotson, they follow me around this farm, and dogs can get ear mites just like rabbits. Okay, so yeah, this is a good example. Like open that up so I can show them. Y'all see all that in that ear? Yeah, that's called cankering. You see that? That's extremely painful for the rabbits, which may also be a cause for why they acting so crazy. And they're in pain. So if we've caught it in time, we won't have to deal with a possible bacterial infection, which is why we opted. Oh yeah, oh God bless you, man. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad. Look at that. There you go, sweetheart. The oil will soften up the crust. The peroxide will kill any virus or bacteria, especially bacteria, that it comes in contact with, okay? What we're trying to do is not really dig in their ears, y'all. We're just trying to soften it up so that it will naturally fly out of their ear and that we can keep these mites from actually moving into their fur. Because like I said, these are really pretty rabbits. It's just that the couple, and I'm not judging them and I'm not giving names because I think they did the right thing coming to Stephen and I saying, hey, will y'all take these rabbits? You know, we just can't anymore. Like I said, obviously, they weren't starving them. I mean, they're beautiful. So if you have animals and you're at a point in your life you're finding it harder to take care of them, find somebody like Stephen and I. They'll usually willingly take your animals unless they're really in poor health. And then sometimes it's best to put them down. Now this little guy right here, this is a little mini Rex. He's getting sweeter and sweeter. Every time I come out here to feed him, he gets a little closer to me. He ate his pumpkin that I brought him today. 2 of the 4 ate their pumpkin. You didn't eat yours, and you didn't eat yours. But he ate his. So I'll let you guys take a look in his ear, and then I'm going to put this camera up so we can move a little faster. We've got 6 babies to treat? 5?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That we got from them. And then we'll talk about how to keep your cages clean after you get ear mites. Oh yeah. This guy I noticed yesterday was really bad. Oh, but look, that's just one treatment with oil. Look how it's coming off. So you see all that? How bad that is in there, how deep it is. Don't be skittish. There's peroxide and oil up in there. Oh, I know, man. And my husband's really good about keeping that towel over the eye so it doesn't come back out. You see how he's just kind of moving that ear canal, guys? That works it down in there. You don't have to stick anything in their ear. You really could hurt them. If you rupture that eardrum at this point, you could really have a problem. You would probably have to put them down. I know, little fella. There you go. He's just giving him a good massage. And the rabbit's tolerating it because he's wrapped in the towel. Okay, so an ear-mite's life cycle is 21 days. That means if you have an ear-mite problem, you are going to need to treat them for 28 days. Now, my dad made a really good point. If you're using oil, you should smother the eggs as well as the juveniles and the adults. But there is so much debris in these rabbits' ears deep that debris might act like a shell. You understand what I'm saying? Like all the dead skin cells, the blood, the mucus has hardened around those eggs. And that's why another reason we're using the hydrogen peroxide is to break that up so that the oil can get to the egg. But just to avoid the chance of one ear-mite egg surviving in that ear canal where it doesn't quite get yet, we're going to continue to treat them about every 3 days for about 2 weeks. Then we'll wait 5 or 6 days, treat them again, and on day 27, we will treat again. So we're looking at about 7 treatments of this oil and peroxide for the next 28 days. But what I did today was remove any hay that was underneath these pens in the shop, because, you know, we feed hay here, and the pens out in the rabbitry. I moved all that hay out. Why? Because mites bed in hay. And if I don't get it out of there, then I'm going to cause a problem. They're going to, as that debris comes out of their ear and those eggs come out in the debris, it's going to land in the hay, they're going to hatch, and now we're going to get a reinfestation. If your pens for your rabbits are made out of wood, you're going to need to bleach it down a couple of times. Get every crack.
Your best way to do it is burn.
Burn. Can you burn wood?
Yeah.
Learn something every day. We burn our metal cages. We do it all the time. In between rabbits breeding, if we get any rabbit with respiratory problems, yeah, right there.
Propane and a blowtorch. I just blow it in there and let it go. And then you ain't setting the wood on fire. You just heating it up.
We do our nesting boxes like that after you bleach them.
Yeah.
Okay, so that makes sense. Yeah, so get you something, even a small blowtorch if that's all you've got, right? But you're going to need to burn those cages out, because wood, hay, straw, any of that, guys, it's going to, nesting boxes, it's going to hold the mites in there. Wood chips, all of that has to come out during the treatment time. And then you need to totally disinfect that entire cage area on around day 25 of your treatment schedule. Like I said, you're going to need to treat through day 28. Let day 28 be the last day that you treat them. Make sure the cleaning has been done a few days before that to kill any mites that might be in the cage, even metal cages. Here are the babies. All right, grab you one. Oh, they had the biggest eyes. This breed is. Anybody know exactly what this breed is? I would like to know. We have an idea, but we're not sure. We've never bred this type of rabbit. We've always done the New Zealand white or the California. One of the kits. It's a couple months old. That's really bad. Yeah, look at that, guys. How painful that would be. Even does that on one of the other young rabbits. You see it turning brown? You see that? That is the blood and the mucus. You see it bubbling? That's why we're using the peroxide right there. So you can imagine what it's killing. And how bad that probably hurts these rabbits. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that bubbling. Oh. Yeah, look at that, guys. Oh, poor baby. This one might have been starting a bacterial infection. Her ears are really bad. She's actually the runt. I just told my husband, she's so cute, but look how tiny she is, all right? Now watch the next one, the last one in this litter. Do I think that mites could possibly cause them to have stunted growth? I don't know, but I guess it would cause them not to want to eat very much, y'all. That would drive you insane. All right, you saw how much smaller she was than this rabbit and the other three. Could be that she was the run of the litter, or it could be that her ears are by far the worst that we've seen on the babies. And it could just be that she's got an infection. I mean, who wants to eat when you've got a severe ear infection, right? So this is just, you know, Rabbit 101 care. When you have rabbits, you occasionally get ear mites. Oh, that's pretty bad too right there. So we just wanted to share this with you guys. Stephen and I appreciate you guys watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We're inviting you to row in our boat and let us row in yours. If you do know what breed of rabbit these little brown and white ones are, we would love to know. Like, we're guessing, we've done a little research, but like I said, we're not 100% sure, but they are beautiful. And I would like to know what they are. I hope that this video helps you in some way take care of your rabbit's ears. We showed you guys everything we're going to do. You have any more comments or suggestions for them? Nope. Okay, you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Very unhappy rat terrier Dotson mix because I did just treat his ears. Guys, if you have dogs that go into your rabbit trees or underneath your rabbit cages with you, anywhere your rabbits are, go ahead, treat their ears as soon as you realize you have ear mites. Avoid getting a dog with ear mites. Because, I mean, all of you have seen Hammer, the German Shepherd. I mean, his ears are like satellite dishes. And anytime that we have a problem in those ears, it can be really serious. So thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.